Hi friends, in this video we learn a very important concept in C language, that is pointer. So student, first we know what is meant by pointer. By definition, pointer is a special variable. Pointer is a special variable which store address of other variable. So why it is special? Because normal variable store data values, but pointer store address of another variable, that it points to a memory location. So at the beginning we learn how to declare pointer or syntax to declare pointer. First we have to mention data type. First we have to mention data type, then star, then pointer name. Pointer name. It is a simple syntax to declare any pointer. How we distinguish normal variable and pointer variable? Because pointer name is preceded by asterisk sign. Asterisk sign. So let's look a simple example of declaring pointer. I have to declare integer type pointer, so its data type is integer, then star, and my pointer name is ptr. Pointer name is ptr. Pointer name is any valid identifier. So what are the rules to declare any identifier? Or also use rules to declare pointer name. So it is a part how we declare pointer variable. We have to mention data type, star, and then pointer name. So next part is how to initialize pointer variable. It is also simple process. So to initialize pointer variable, first we have a normal variable. Now let int a is my normal variable. A is my normal variable. So we store address of a into ptr. So how we initialize pointer variable? Ptr is equals to ampersand a, because by using ampersand we can access address of any variable. So address of a is now stored into ptr. Address of a is now stored into ptr. So let's look a memory view. Now it is memory location for a. We initialize a with 10. So after executing this statement in a, there is a value 10. Now let's consider the memory location of this a is 1000. It is just suppose that the memory address of a is 1000. When this statement is executed, in ptr, it is location for ptr. So this address is stored into ptr. So now in ptr the value is 1000, because 1000 is address of a. So in this way we can declare and initialize any normal pointer variable. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.